BJP's strong Lok Sabha performance last year, winning all 7 parliamentary seats for a third consecutive time, boosted its hope that it can break Delhi's Assembly Lok Sabha dichotomy this year with its pitch for a double-engine ki sarkar. But was this the confidence or something else that worked for BJP in Delhi? Let's decode. The middle class makes up nearly 40% of Delhi's electorate, and BJP's focus this time was the middle class in Delhi. Towards the end of the Delhi election campaign, the Modi government constituted the 8th Pay Commission and announced big tax exemptions for the middle class in the union budget. Well, both measures that went down well with the BJP's middle class base as well as government officials in the capital's large bureaucratic setup. The Saffron Party also identified issues like air pollution, the contaminated Yamuna, and the deteriorating quality of life as obvious failures of the AAP regime, striking a chord with the capital's substantial middle class that didn't see itself as the AAP's primary voters. As a result, BJP swept nearly all constituencies in Outer Delhi and Western Delhi regions that share borders with Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. The AAP fought the Assembly election 2025 with an anti-incumbency of 10 years and an aggressive BJP. The liquor policy scam, irregularities in the Delhi Jal Board and multiple financial corruption allegations damaged AAP's credibility. The arrests of Kejriwal, Sisodia and Sanjay Singh only reinforced the BJP's narrative that the AAP was no longer an idealistic or a clean party. AAP's repeated claims that the BJP-led central government was obstructing its work began to wear thin with voters, who saw them as excuses after 10 years in power. While the BJP, including the Prime Minister Modi himself, had earlier derided welfare schemes as reveries in Delhi, it was careful to emphasize that none of the ongoing schemes of the AAP government would be stopped if it came to power. This was announced by PM Modi himself, giving it added weight that helped counter the AAP's claim that the poor would lose out on benefits if the BJP was voted in. In Northeast Delhi, which has the most Purvanchal seats, the BJP is leading in 6 constituencies, highlighting that the Purvanchali voters may have swayed towards the BJP over the Aam Aadmi Party. While AAP had a clear CM face in Arvind Kejriwal, BJP relied solely on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's towering influence. Despite lacking a projected CM candidate, BJP's campaign focused on PM Modi's appeal, which outshone Kejriwal's image, tarnished by corruption scandals and the Sheesh Mahal controversy. Interestingly, the Modi Ki Guarantee also appealed to Muslim voters in the city, with the BJP getting the support of 12 to 13% of the electorate from the community. In the last election, the party got support from only 3% of Muslim voters. Well, hope you found this video informative, and for more such content, keep watching NDTV.